Uh, Hello, Imran sir. Hope you are fine. So my name is Anupanta. I'm currently studying a master's in IT in final semester. Actually, I had a special consultation due to my health condition, so I'm pretty much late. So first of all, I'd like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to present myself on enhancing the fintech solution for the growth and sustainability. So So quickly jumping into my slides, I'm more focused on how I can approach the solution to the fintech financial company in terms of the effective data management and analytical decision making, as well as enhancing the data security, leveraging the different kind of technology like AI, ML, and blockchain. The end goal of all this study is for the competitive and the sustainable growth for the fintech company. So while studying the current IT landscape of the fintech financial company, what I found that they have the manual data analysis system. Due to the manual data analysis system, they had limited security measure, which results to the ineffective data management system. So it is very crucial for them to upgrade their IT infrastructure as well as the data management system. Fintech is a financial company which is looking for to grow themselves. So they hired me as IT is consultant for the data management enhancement for the sustainable future. So talking about the major data challenges, the first challenge is the inadequate data storage. If there is a enormous amount of data that is generating from the company, then the data stores are limited and it is isolated. They are using the manual data entry system, which creates a lot of errors in the data. Also, they haven't developed or centralized data management system, which is really crucial for the company. While proposing the solution, a cloud storage solution can be a best for the fintech company. So first one is Amazon Web Service. Amazon Web Service can be very beneficial for the fintech company as it is very scalable storage system, and fintech company can scale it as per their needs. Talking about the Microsoft Azure, it is provided by the Microsoft for the enterprise data security, which is one of the most huge challenge for the fintech financial company. Google Cloud is can be used as one of the cloud storage solution as it provides a real-time data analytics which help the fintech company to analyze their data to track the trends and know the customer behaviors. With cloud services, they can also use the advanced data analytics tools like Tableau and Power BI. Tableau is very much efficient tool to use, and one of the thing that interests me about Tableau is that although there is multiple function running, but it can show a visual representation in in one screen. Power BI is also a data analytics tool that shows the visual representation of the real-time data so that it can help the fintech company to track the source data and uh, generate the automated reporting. Predictive analytics is very much important concept in financial companies. So what it does, it helps to forecast the investment trends. As the data is collected beforehand with the predictive analytics, with the help of the data, the next prediction can be forecasted earlier, identifying the market pattern. It's same like in the stock market. So the market is moving up and down. So to track the data and to know how, what the customer is doing is very much important for the fintech company. These types of predictive analytics helps to enhance the better decision making. One of the best part is that fintech company can uh, uh, make a fact-based decision rather than the opinion-based and assumption-based decision with the predictive analytics. Another part is the machine learning algorithm. Actually, there are two methodologies for the machine learning algorithm that are k-means clustering and the support vector SVM. One of the best part of the machine learning algorithm is they can improve the accuracy of the huge amount of the data and detect the fraud in a real time, which guard the system of the company in the early stage rather than being making it use. And for the financial company, uh, the leakage of such kind of data and the fraud can impact a lot. So talking about the data security measures, the first one is end-to-end encryption. End-to-end encryption uses a standard encryption method, which is important to move a data from one boundary to another boundary or from one person to another person. In a multi-factor authentication, it is very important for the fintech company to use the multi-factor authentication. For example, if the employee forget their password and another person is accessing uh, by knowing the password of the employees, in that case, if the employee have the biometrics authentication as well, it will be much more secure. Another one is the DLP tools, that is data loss prevention tool, that control the information assets by avoiding the data leakage to the company. The last one is the security information and the event management, which helps to keep eye on the IT structure of the company. They can immediately detect the malicious activity or the security threats that is being going on uh, in the company. So emerging technologies can be embedded in the company, and there's a huge possibility for that, as it provides the enhanced efficiency, transparency, and security for the company. The first emerging technology is the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can dissect the huge data into the smaller chunk to know the financial information and speculate the result that is going to happen. So another one is the blockchain technology. Blockchain technology can be one of the safest and the simpler way for the fintech company as the as the data can be secure by remaining the unchangeable record when they are transferred from one place to another place. It can be actually beneficial for the fintech company as they are transferring data from one country to another country as well. The emerging technology, the robotic process automation, that is RPA. One of the best part of the robotic process automation is that uh, it can avoid the repetitive tasks so that the employees can focus on the more important task rather than just stuck in the repetitive task. So there are a lot of technologies that can be used, but as for the requirement of the company, I have dissected it in three terms, that is short-term goals, mid-term goals, and the long-term goals. For the short-term goals company, you can use the cloud storage and the data analytics tools as it takes the less amount of the investment for it and it can be implemented straight away. For the midterm goals, predictive analytics and machine learning can be used. As predictive analytics requires a certain data for a certain period of time, which can be dissected by the machine learning to create effective result. For the long-term goals, fintech company for now can use the AI and blockchain and RPA technology. Such technology needs a huge amount of investment and need a lot of work in before initializing them. During my presentation slide, there are a lot of there are emerging technology that is very important to be implemented in the fintech company as observing their present context. Such kind of technologies can help them in effective data management, achieve a high level of security, and making track a real time analytic decision making. This might this is very important for the company as they are growing and they want to compete with the global market. With the competition, sustainable growth and the long-term vision of the company is needed, for which such kind of technologies are needed to be implemented. So that's it from my side. So I want to thank you and that's again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. Now have a great night.